90% of people are using AI completely wrong. They type vague requests and wonder why the output is garbage. But there's a simple formula that transforms mediocre prompts into masterpieces, and it works on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, literally any AI tool. Once you see this, you'll never write a lazy prompt again. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down the exact prompt formula that professionals use to get 10 times better results from any AI. This isn't some complicated framework with 20 steps. It's 5 simple elements you can memorize in under a minute, and I'm showing you real examples with each one. By the end of this video, you'll have a repeatable system that works every single time. Let's dive in. The first element is telling the AI who it needs to be. This is massive because AI models perform completely differently based on the role you assign them. Instead of just asking for help, you say something like, "You are an expert marketing strategist with 15 years of experience," or "You are a senior software developer specializing in Python." This immediately changes the knowledge base and tone the AI pulls from. A generic request gets generic advice. But when you assign a specific expert role, the AI adopts that perspective, uses industry terminology, and gives you nuanced answers that actually reflect real expertise. This one change alone will double your output quality. Next up is context. And most people skip this completely. The AI doesn't know anything about your situation unless you tell it. You need to explain who you are, what you're working on, and why this matters. For example, I'm a small business owner launching a new email campaign for eco-friendly products targeting millennial parents. See how much information that packs in? Now the AI understands your audience, your goals, and your constraints. Without context, the AI is guessing. With it, the AI tailors everything specifically to your needs. Think of context as the background briefing you'd give a new team member. The more relevant details you provide up front, the better the output becomes. Don't make the AI work blind. Element 3 is defining the exact task you want completed. This is where people get way too vague. Don't say, "Help me with marketing." Say, "Create 5 subject lines for a promotional email announcing a 20% off sale." Or write a 300-word blog intro explaining the benefits of meditation for beginners. Notice the specificity? You're telling the AI exactly what to create, how long it should be, and what it needs to include. Vague tasks get vague results. Specific tasks get laser-focused outputs. If you can measure it or count it, include those numbers. The AI loves concrete parameters. It eliminates guesswork and ensures you get exactly what you actually need, not some generic response you have to completely rewrite. Number 4 is specifying the format, and this is a total game changer. Do you want bullet points, a table, a step-by-step tutorial, a casual conversation? Tell the AI exactly how to structure the response. For instance, present this as a numbered list with brief explanations for each point. Or write this in a friendly, conversational tone as if explaining to a complete beginner. Format instructions also include things like word count, paragraph structure, or even tone and style. The AI can write formally, casually, humorously, or professionally, but only if you tell it to. By controlling format, you get outputs that are immediately usable instead of needing massive editing. This saves you hours of reformatting work. The final element is providing examples or constraints. This is the secret sauce that takes good prompts to exceptional. If you have an example of what you want, show it to the AI. Say something like, "Here's an example of the style I'm looking for, then match this tone and structure." Or set constraints like, "Keep it under 200 words, avoid technical jargon, and don't use cliches." Constraints guide the AI away from generic outputs. Examples show it exactly what success looks like. You can even say, "Here are 3 things not to do," and the AI will avoid them. This element refines everything. It's the difference between good enough and "this is exactly what I needed." Combine all 5 elements and you've got the perfect prompt formula that works every single time. If this formula just changed how you'll use AI forever, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you use most, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or something else. I read every comment, and your answer might inspire the next video. Seriously, take 2 seconds and let me know right now. Remember, the quality of your AI output is directly tied to the quality of your prompts. Use these 5 elements and you'll never get mediocre results again. Now go create something amazing.